Hi, Tammy here with Minard's Leisure World. I'm super excited to introduce to you Grand Design's new lineup in the Reflection. So this is the Reflection 100 series. A little bit smaller floor plans than you're used to in the regular Reflections, half-ton towable, but still some super great layouts. So let's get started. This is the Reflection 100 series 27BH, weighing in at only 8,000 pounds. So this is a family model, half-ton towable. It's gonna do the job for you. Full pass-through storage here. You've got, it's all unobstructed in here. You've got your light, hookup for TV if you wanted to have TV outside. They've done a nice job of finishing that off. It also has your auto level, so you still have the same great features that you have in the Reflections, just in a little bit lighter weight, smaller floor plans. Nice big power awning with LED lights. They do the step above sturdy steps here. They've added the nice big longer handle here, so a little bit easier to reach up to, especially for the kids. Let's check out the back. With this being a double over double bunk model, as you'll see once we get inside, it gives the capability to have a nice large back storage compartment here. It's huge. There's room for smaller kids' bikes, your barbecue. You still have the tow hitch on the back here, so 300-pound tongue rating, 3,000-pound tow capacity. It is also backup camera prepped if you choose to add the backup camera. Over on the roadside here, you have your convenience center, gate valves tucked up inside here, outside shower, black tank flush, and your super easy winterization system. The Reflection 100 series also has your on-demand water heater. Entering the Reflection 100 series 27BH, we have your tri-fold sofa with some great storage above here. This has one slide, so you've got your U-shaped dinette, so nice big dinette. This coach will actually sleep up to 10 people if need be. So you've got sleeping on the dinette, sleeping on the tri-fold sofa, and then the bunks that we'll get to right away here. 10 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator. So this coach is equipped with your solar as well to keep those batteries charged up to run your fridge. Love the kitchen area here. So you've got your stainless steel large farm sink with the residential pull-out faucet. Countertop extension on the end here to give you a little bit of extra counter space. Great counter space in the corner here as well for your coffee maker, ice maker, toaster, what have you. Nice storage up in the cabinets. Nice and tall, so lots of room for any larger items that you may need to store. Your microwave, range hood, 3-burner cooktop, and your oven. And more counter space along here. And a bank of 6 drawers for, again, more storage. Entertainment system is up top here, so your flat screen TV is across from your U-shaped dinette, and it is on a pull-out, so you can utilize it with the sofa as well. At the back here is where we have your double over double bunk, some great storage. You've got 3 drawers there, a hanging closet, and then your nice double over double bunks with great headroom on each level of the bunks. Kids are just gonna love this space. Moving along to the front of the coach, up the stairs here and off to your left is the washroom. So sink, vanity, and medicine cabinet. The nice residential style shower, some linen storage, and your porcelain foot flush toilet. All closed off with a pocket door, which I absolutely love those pocket doors because you don't have doors swinging out into the hallway. Gives you a lot more space to work with. Join me as we move along into the master bedroom here. Again, all closed off with a solid pocket door, giving you lots of space in the hallway. Residential 60 by 80 queen size bed. You've got some open storage up across the top here, little nightstands on either side with your plug-ins and reading lights, storage on each side, and a bonus of storage at the foot of the bed here. They've done a great closet here with the hanging rod and a couple drawers below, and there's even a little cutout on the bottom here if you wanted to kick some shoes under there for storage as well. So this has been the tour of the 2024 Reflection 100 Series 27BH. Again, new to the Grand Design lineup, not compromising quality, construction, anything like that. You still have your R40 insulation in the roof, R30 in the floor, heated and enclosed underbelly. Your slide out walls are also laminated, and you've got heated slide out floors too. So give us a shout. Minard's Leisure World in Weyburn and Watrous.